other side of the screen. Actually on a Saturday, and I'm rushing to get to work. No, I do the other side of the screen. Around 2,000 subscribers. This is actually the first time. I remember the name of the first time that day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, 1,000 men. One day. It actually is a game day. I'm actually playing today against Wolves. So I don't know what's happening. Because nowadays I can't actually predict it. It's actually hard to predict the game. Like, you know, we're not performing that best like we're just supposed to. So, no comment. Let me just wait to win. And I want Manchester United actually to stop the Arsenal run. Like, I'll be the harvest man like tomorrow if it doesn't happen. You know, positive critic. And I might it. I can actually show you the time. I don't know if it's actually showing because I think that actually the sun is actually preventing it from actually showing. So let's get to it. I'm actually today I also decided to go and actually take a run. Bye. No, go there and save. Like, let me do like for the entire week. No, not for the entire week. Like, for the past couple of days, I've actually motorbike. And it's crazy. That is actually not good life. Doing that. Because I need to change my ways. I need to change my ways. So let's get to the stage first of all, then and get to work. Here we are. The funny part is actually I've actually paid like 2 times. So I don't know if that message will actually come back because I actually paid 2 times. The first time I paid, no message came back. And then the second time I actually paid, the message came back. So I don't know. Maybe I actually paid like 2 times. But I was in a hurry because they couldn't let me go. It's crazy. They couldn't let me leave. So I had to pay extra. So I'm actually waiting. Let me see if I actually get the message back. Because I'm kind of 50-50, like I've actually played 2 times. But you know what it is. The most important part is actually, yes, the message has actually come right now. This is crazy. Just, you know, I'm reversing this one. There's no fucking way I'm actually playing 2 times. Damn. It's crazy. Like it. This can't be happening. I actually played like 2 times. Damn. And actually the time I've actually alerted the car and the message is actually coming like Safaricom need to improve. No way. This can be happening now and then. Okay, actually go to the test. Let me see. I'll actually get refunded this one because I actually paid 2 times. Let me see. Maybe they might return or let me try. So let us get to work. But I'm sure I won't get that money back. They've actually told me they are processing. Let me see. I want to see if they actually keep. But nowadays, no. I don't know why the message stayed that long. I needed to show it when I take the car. You know. So there is no excuse there. So let me see if they will actually refund me. Because I'm sure. No. And I'm not depending on them. Let me see if it comes. Well and good. If it doesn't, it is very nice road. Let's get right. Stop complaining. Jeremiah, Jeremiah. Niaje. Uko poa? Acha milioni kaiko ikiti yenu. Okay. I'm at work and continue the challenge. I want to see the bamboos. I want to actually water them. And see the changes. In them, the actual changes. In them or on them. I want them to be clean. It's crazy. So we can water them. Water them. So what's any more? People are actually partying inside. It's a party after party. I'm actually just perusing. I just want to show you the bamboo I'm actually struggling with to feed water. I want it to actually to be green now. I was actually told like if I actually feed enough water, if I give it enough water, it will sprout like crazy. And that was what I'm looking for. That's my aim. I want to see what will happen with it. It's actually an experiment I'm actually doing. Today has actually been one of the greatest days. Let me stop this thing. It has actually been the best. Bluetooth. This is actually our speaker. It's crazy. And today you actually won like two goals to nail. I don't know I actually scored two, but we missed some the chances to miss the damn. It was actually nice. Like, let me switch on these lights so that I can. Oh shit! That light. Okay, that's actually okay. It's not that bright. To my face, you know, because I won't actually see clear. I'll be struggling. 3, 4. I'll be actually struggling, like, you know. 4 plus 4.
It's a great strike. You see the bar just rattle away.
Okay.
Imagine that dropping in.
That's great.
He doesn't believe so.
I'm actually yawning. I'm actually yawning, like, this is crazy.
That's the one they've been waiting for. Just that lifeline at the edge as it's flicked on.
Damn.
Very fortunate for City that it doesn't drop in. It's good. Matthias Manning sends it up over and away. And that's
Sure.
the last action.
No, this can be happening. You can't tell me
Manchester City
sexual
back on
torture.
track and back on the winning trail.
It's crazy. I don't know actually how many I actually took, like. Damn. Let me put my camera on. We can actually go. Because I'm fucking mad at you. That is not actually allowed. Like, how? So let me start. Let me take the stock. Catch up with it. Time. It's actually late. Let me show you the time. What? That's crazy. Why is it not showing? Just see. Okay. I don't actually put that. So let me see. Switch it off then. Yeah. You see, it's actually 3 a.m. in the morning. 3 a.m. in the morning. And I'm still at work. Let me call this to the guy. Let me call this to the guy. I actually start thinking about going home right now, like a sap. You see my nigga. As soon as possible, like, let me call this nigga. This guy, like. I think the one who actually live in is actually asleep, I think so. He can't be on right now. He can't be. He does get home early, like, usually. So, I'm not sure, like, that nigga is actually gone. He's not around. I'm sure that. Let me try. Maybe my luck, you know. He might be still around, like, looking for more money. Hello? Oh, ushaingia? Hapo. Damn. The guy's actually gone, like, okay. Today, actually, being on a Saturday, I think this guy is not around, like. I think this guy is not around. When was actually the last time this guy carried me, like? I don't know where he's at. It has been long since he's been calling me. I don't know. It seems like he has a lot of money right now. Because usually he will call. Being on a Saturday, I think he's actually at church. So let me see. Maybe. The guy isn't picking up the call. I think he's actually at church. He hasn't picked the call. He's not around. Did he go home? Like, I don't know, like, it has been long since this guy. Okay, I'll have to call this. Now this is actually the third guy I'm actually calling. Yeah, niaje? Uko? Unaweza tokelezea? Hapo. Yes, I know this guy is actually around. I don't know when he usually gets out at his house. But most of the time, when I call, he's normally there. Let me put my water. Sparkling. It's not sparkling, but I've actually put the normal still water. Okay, it's actually still, not sparkling. Well, it is still and sparkling, so that is actually still water. I've actually put. I did actually put it in there, you know. Damn, today has actually been that great day. Like, I'm happy. Even I'm not actually in a rush, like, to get home, like, you know. Like most of the time. Yesterday I actually get home. I just get home like early. But today it seems like I'm going to sleep at 4 in the morning, like, you know. Which is not good, like, you know. It's bad. It's bad, my gosh. Okay. Where's the stepper? Let's stepper this. Because I'm not sure that. nice is that it is. Okay, let me put it in the fridge. I think here is actually the best place. Like, if I actually put it in. I don't know what I am to do right now. Like, then I'll actually finish this tomorrow. Not tomorrow, in the morning. The important part I'm actually done with it. So the only part remaining, it's not that big deal, like, you know. So let me. I'm not actually to finish cleaning this glasses because I like tomorrow the lady who's actually going to open tomorrow. When she comes, like, it'll be just arranging and dusting the place, you know. When you actually, you know, sometimes she actually arrives. She do arrive, then she arrives with the client, like the customers, which is crazy, and she can't actually start like washing glasses, which is, you know. So sometimes it's actually common sense, you know. Common sense, my guy. So let me try washing them before that guy reaches. But because I actually know he's on the way. He's not that pasta. So let's wait and see. Let's see. The one I'm actually trying to water. Every now and then I actually need them to grow taller. So they're gonna get your trim. Let's see. Maybe it's blackout. But on this side it's usually dry. Like, I don't know why. I don't know. We're actually not feeding it the correct amount of water, or we are just, I don't know. So this is actually a challenge I'm actually giving myself. Like, let me see. For one full week, I want to see. And after 1 week, I'll take it a month. Maybe give it like 2 good months. And actually want to see the results, like the changes. It might be nice. Someone told me, like, maybe you give it more water, then it will grow faster. Is it growing or do what? It's crazy. It will. Damn, I have no clue. Itamea. Kumea. Kumea na kukua. Those are 2 different things. Kumea. Kukua is to grow. I think so. Kumea. Damn. I think I actually know it. I don't know actually. I'm actually forgetting it. But I think I know. Kumea. What does kumea mean? Like, that's crazy. This guy actually took this too. Let me show you. I'm not promoting. And they actually carried. They were saying, like, why does this has a red coke? No, a green, and this one has a white. So I don't know. Like, some clients are usually crazy. Like, they were disputing. They were saying that maybe this is actually not the. This one is not. How can I put it? It's not legit. Yeah, legit was actually the word I was actually looking for. It was not legit. Like, how? And we actually do take our alcohol from the sales source. I don't know, but I can't actually, because I don't take that alcohol. I don't drink alcohol, and I'm not sure, but I think all the things we actually sell here are actually legit, because we actually want our clients to come back tomorrow. So if we do sell them bad drinks, then they'll actually run, and who will we actually remain with? It will be just closed. Like, no one will actually be coming this crazy. So, okay. Actually need a thumbnail. Yes, thumbnail. That's the thing about actually night. Enough. The funny part is no shit, this can't be happening. Okay. I don't have Wi-Fi at my house right now. I haven't paid, so, and I'm actually pausing, and I don't know going to get the how do I call it, the thumbnail. I usually use CapCut, and CapCut when you want to okay, is it so odd? Okay, let me actually go and see. I'm not 100% sure. Where is this nigga at? Like, I'm actually here for all this time. Like, okay, let me switch up. We meet outside. Did I actually close this side? I'm actually starting to doubt myself, like, and if I started like, oh, no, maybe I might have not closed it. Jesus Christ. Yes. My instincts are wrong. I don't know why. I don't know, I'm actually doubting myself and I've actually closed it. Maybe it was me just checking, you know. Where's this nigga at? Like, it's late. Dang. He's actually repairing. I'm on that. Can you actually believe, like, the guy is actually not here? Just here. So I actually decided, okay, instead of actually waiting for him for the 5 minutes, actually told me, let me just walk like, to the stage and actually save that 50, you know, it might help someone. Yeah. I don't know what time did I actually call that guy, because it's actually been too long. Like, it actually took like, let me see, like I can actually approximate like 30 minutes. Actually took like 30 minutes for him actually to arrive. No, yeah, I'm still counting. It's actually taken like 30 minutes, and he actually told me like 5 minutes he'll actually be here. So let's wait and see. Maybe I'm actually going to take like 5 hours. No, not 5 hours. Like, maybe it's gonna take like an hour. Let's wait and see. Damn, are you going to sleep late today? Oh my lord! I wonder. Okay, I think this is actually the best position for me actually to carry it. I'm actually supposed to hold the camera this way, but it's hard, man. It's not easy, like me actually walking like this daily. I'm actually, okay, how can I put it? Most of the time I need actually to hold the camera like still, like to avoid maybe someone actually snatching it, and at the same time recording it, because right now I don't have the handle. And when I hold it with like this with the handle, maybe someone can actually snatch it. Because actually in the handle, which you can actually put in your hand, so when actually someone tries to snatch it, then it won't even fall down. It actually fall on your arm, like it will be still on your arm. It will actually be still on your arm. It won't fall down for you. So that will actually help you avoid the cost of actually repairing. Maybe, I don't know if it's actually repairable, but something like that. So, and that the funny part is actually that stand goes for how much? Like 7,000. That's crazy. 7,000 for the stand, and visible stand. Yeah, man. I'm actually not even seeing the guy. Like the farthest end, I'm actually not even seeing about the border coming. So I don't know. Like, did he actually lie to me? Maybe he had a line. And me, I was still waiting. Like, no, like a fool. You know, they can't actually live, man. Even me myself, I can't. I will actually make up stories. Okay, wait for me like 5 minutes. I will actually come because damn, they're actually looking for that money. So I do understand to some extent, you know. So let's get going. See you tomorrow.